Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want Google Chrome to save and fill your payment methods automatically? Chrome has a useful setting called Save and Fill Payment Method. In this tutorial, I will show you how to enable or disable this setting in Google Chrome on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome. Tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner, then tap Settings. Next, tap Payment Methods. The payment methods settings will appear. Find Save and Fill Payment Method. Here, you can turn this option on or off. Turn it on to let Chrome save and fill your payment methods when you make payments online, or turn it off to stop Chrome from saving and filling your payment methods. Choose the option you want to use, and that's how to enable or disable save and fill payment methods in Google Chrome on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.